Hello, everybody. GGDP, Ginger Diamond Painter, whatever you want to call me. It's fine. I'm here for a little unboxing. I know it come from DAC, but that's all I know at the moment. It is a get well present from Mindy, or the sister's sister. She wanted to get me something because I had my gallbladder removed and I've been suffering from a UTI. So, yay! Just so y'all know, a post-surgery UTI hurts like HE double hockey sticks. It's no bueno. Let's see. Alright. Now y'all ready to see what it is? Because I have no idea what it is. I want to see too. I like the little snowflakes. 'Tis the season. Let's see. Oh, what? Would you look at that? It's the glowing Christmas. I was wanting that when I got the notification. Okay. It's a 61 by 51, so it's decent size. Well, I might open it if I get the cellophane. You don't know I like my DAC. I haven't been ordering a whole lot lately because, yeah, I'm on medical leave, so when you're on medical leave, you're not bringing in any income, so I'm going to save some money for other things. Okay. Box goes over there. This is, it has an inventory sheet. Oh, it's got special. Ooh, there is special. I like special. Here's that. Glowing Christmas diamond shape round with AB. Alright, hold on. Got the standard toolkit. Ooh. So, double your pleasure, double your fun. 2 hearts. Some baggies. They're clear drill tray. All got a blue squishy. All got a blue squishy. The drill pin, and instead of a 3-placer, this one has come with a 6-placer. That's pretty nifty. Let's put it back in the bag. We'll look at those in a minute. Y'all saw that. So it's already 1 sticker, so I don't have to put it through my sticker maker. That is awesome sauce. And step-by-step instructions by To Diamonds Painting. They changed their thingy jigger. That is an actual word, thingy jigger. Look it up. So yeah. Oh. Coolness. Alright, so let's see. Move that over. that y'all can see. Very, very beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. My problem is I'm running out of places to put stuff in my room. It's got a grand total of 30 colors. It looks like 29 regular and the number 30 is the special. So, turn that over here. Time for the crinkle dinkle. Alright. Now I'm going to guess the special ones are the ornaments that are on the tree. Are they the ornaments or are they the lights? Let's see. Yeah, no, it's not the ornaments, it's the lights. That's what it is. So, the special ones are the lights. So, I got some greens, dark blue, light blue, 820, which is a dark blue, which is really pretty. A very light blue. Let's see. So dark, medium, white, some greens. 141 is the AB. E742. Oh, that's what. The orange is the glow in the dark. It glows orange, which is radical. So green, blue, red, green, green, green. And some reds and greens. A nice green and blue and red and yeah. Awesome. I'll put them back in the bag when I get off camera. And you go, I got 3 bags of 3 tins. So this is going to be amazing. Yay! Let's see. E742 is a plus sign. Okay. So, looks like wherever the little stars on here, that's where the glow in the dark ones are going to go. Sweet! So, and as always, the nice canvas that you just cannot stop petting. Yeah. Anyway, so, I hope you like this, and Mindy, thank you. I love you, sister. I am getting better, slowly. I am still hurting, though. I'm fixing to put this stuff up and take a nap, because that's what I've been doing a lot of lately. So, try to nap, get better, so I go back to work. Anyway, y'all have a fab-tabulous day, and toodles!